Thanks a lot. I got a cup of Mississippi and a hot rod plow, handful of Texas and a high-rise South, going up to Louisiana with my ding-a-ling-ding. See the pure grain good, put a spell on me. I got a spell on me. I got a spell on me. Got the Mississippi blood spell on me. I got a spell on me. Got a hog's-head breath and a pickup skunk, pinstripe eyeball and a gray slam drunk. Louisiana corner with a crystal smile, 3 French Christmas on a Mississippi mine. I got a spell on me. I got a spell on me. Got the Mississippi blood spell on me. I got a spell on me. to California and live with a friend. Go to school in Boston to Santa Fe. Go on expedition down in Paraguay. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Sounds like you got it all worked out. It sure sounds like you got it all worked out to me. Yeah, right. You're gonna move to California and live with some good friends. Then you're going skiing with your good friends from school. The state school. No. Right. Yeah, right. You didn't leave a bar of soap when you left me. You didn't even leave a towel so I could dry my face. You didn't even leave a plate for me to eat on. But you left all my empty beer cans all over the place. You didn't leave my precious black and white TV set. You took the Jimi Hendrix poster that was on my door. You left with my very best friend, our dog Smokey. I found all the unpaid bills on the kitchen floor. And where in the hell did you go with my toothbrush? And where in the hell did you happen to spend last night? You didn't leave a bar of soap when you left me. You didn't even tell me they was turning out the lights. Alarm clock. You didn't even leave a note, I guess it's all been said. You didn't even leave the cushions for the sofa. And now that I'm used to the couch, you left the bed. Leave a bar of soap when you left me. You didn't stick around to see the teardrops on my face. That sounded awful nice without that feedback. I kind of miss it now, though. Well, I got a sweet baby who's 6 foot tall. Well, she's a full-grown woman who's got it all. Big little baby. Big little baby. She's as cute as she can be, but she's taller than me. Big little baby. Her heart is just as big as her feet are long, but she's not afraid to fight someone who does me wrong. Big little baby. Big little baby. She's a stripper female who's grown up for scale. Big little baby. Prettiest little grandbaby, but when she's wearing high heels, she's 6'3". Big little baby. Big little baby. She's the cutest she can be, but she's tall as a tree. Big little baby. Oh, let it flow. Feels good. Jimbo. Sweet baby who's 6 foot tall. She's a full-grown woman who's got it all. Big little baby. Big little baby. She's as cute as she can be, but she's taller than me. Big little baby. Big little baby. Big little baby. She's as cute as she can be, but she's taller than me. Big. Oh, little baby. Jimbo, you always do. Sunset lights the sky, but there's a shadow over me. Black clouds in the east, and there's Twister underneath. A long black limousine, and there's a demon at the wheel. And old Sly Satan's in the back, says he wants to make a deal. A vibrating whisper sings in my hair, but there's no one to be seen. Coming up my rear view mirror is old Sly Satan's limousine. You sang your soul to the devil, he gave you everything you see. When the devil comes collecting, you're gonna be paying more eternity. The devil's chasing me. Don't roll your window down and look me in the eye. No, I did not make no deal. So don't go waiting on me to die. She's got a red and black tuxedo. She's got a hellhound down on her knee. She's got a fire-breathing demon driver who is like a satanic. She's got a black goatee and javelina teeth and a rattlesnake on her sleeve. She's got pointed red boots with diamond studs and smile meant to deceive. The devil's chasing me. From fabulous Gary, Indiana, the man behind the skins, let's hear it for Scott Gorilla Chirilla. From fabulous Deer Park, Texas, Nature Boy Jimbo Wallace.
Hey, is this thing on? Hey, and last but not least, the one, the only, from Corpus Christi, Texas, Reverend Horton Heat.
through his life at St. Tanner. He's got a black goatee and handling a teeth man or rattlesnake on his sleeve. He's got pointer red boots with diamonds stuck to smile into his head. The devil's chasing me.